We understand the challenges. We recognise the pressures. We know what it takes to ensure accuracy and what's needed to be reliable. Every single day. We've been by your side at every turn, supporting the trade since 1971. To be the parts partner you depend on, with deep technical knowledge, having the right tools and equipment, and efficient service. All backed by a team who understands your business, with an Australia-wide network that delivers everywhere, rapidly and on time. Backing the mechanics who keep Australians moving. We'll keep your workshop advancing today and prepared for tomorrow. Because at Burson, we'll get it sorted.